Welcome to this new video. Today I will show you step-by-step how to withdraw money from the LSSC platform to your account on the Crypto.com app easily and without complications. First, go to the official LSSC website, then tap on the Withdraw option from the bottom menu. Next, you will see a list of available withdrawal currencies, such as USDT, USDT, TRC20, and USDC. At the bottom of this list, you will find a field labeled Wallet Address, or Please Enter Wallet Address. Here you need to paste your Crypto.com wallet address. To get this address, open the Crypto.com app, go to the Accounts section, select Crypto Wallet, then choose the currency you want to receive, like USDT, tap on it, then select Deposit, and your wallet address will appear. Copy it. Go back to the LSSC site and paste the address into the wallet address field. Choose the currency you want to withdraw, click Withdraw, and finally click Confirm to complete the process. And just like that, your funds will be successfully transferred from LSSC to your Crypto.com wallet with ease.